Whereabouts are you?
Oh, the dog here.
I see it.
Right, there's a dog. There's a dog. There's a dog. The thing is fast.
Watch out, Sue. Can't get the tongs on it. Watch out!
Watch out! Watch out!
Watch out! Watch out!
You need to give me tongs.
Watch out! Okay.
Give me tongs. Give me tongs.
Good job,
Give me tongs.
Wait, no, let me control both for a second.
Okay.
Okay, I had to just grab it. Wait.
Can I
Watch
have
out!
tongs?
Watch out! Give me some space, guys. Another set, maybe. Anywhere.
Hang on.
Try and get it round their head. This is
know.
ballistic. Okay.
Oh my God. This
Quickly,
is going,
Sue.
I know, but this is going.
Gets up the tongs. We're both gonna get it. Get it.
There we go. There we go.
No, quickly.
Hang on. These aren't my tongs.
Right.
Hello, you.
Okay, yeah, just hold on.
Cool, huh?
I'm letting go of the left ones. You got it? Okay, I'm letting go of the left one.
Yeah.
You've got it now. Wait.
Wow,
Sue's the
guys.
only one in the right position to neck it. Okay, you're gonna have to get it. Go.
Hang on.
A little bit more.
I need to go more.
I'm gonna not let go. 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 Now's your chance. Go.
No, I don't
Go.
want that.
Go. Go. You've got it. I can't do anything else. You've got it now. Make sure you get back in properly. You got it?
Yeah.
Let it go.
Cheeky.
Very. Jesus, that thing was on the move like you don't want to know.
Oh, there's a dog here. Did you see the dog as well? Bless it. Oh, I don't like this position.
I know. That, another 1 second, 2 seconds, it would have gone through there to next doors, but the
Is
problem
the
was...
dog all right, though?
Trying to get the tongs on a snake that fast is almost impossible, so I nearly went to grab it in my hand, but I knew damn well the chances of me getting bitten are extremely high.
Yeah.
Because it would have just come straight back at me.
Jeez, that
So-
was lucky. The snake's lucky as well. I mean, the dogs would have tried to kill it. Dogs would have died. He would have died. Yeah, not a great situation.